Hunter Industries brings you Dual, a two-wire decoder system to be used with the already popular iCore controller at a breakthrough price point. Dual two-wire technology can change the way you look at control systems, offering faster installation, lower installation costs with less copper wire, total flexibility to add and move valves after the original installation, easier troubleshooting and diagnostics, enhanced resistance to surge and lightning damage. What is Dual two-wire technology? It is a system that provides both power and data to the valves over a single direct burial cable. A waterproof dual decoder is added in each valve box to receive the signals and activate standard 24-volt AC solenoids. Dual eliminates the need for separate wires to each valve solenoid. Hunter has been leading the way in two-wire technology for decades. Hunter's ACC controller has become an industry standard in commercial control. Dual brings commercial-grade two-wire control to medium-sized landscapes in a simple and affordable package. The cost benefits of using two-wire technology over traditional field wiring can be best illustrated by comparing both types of systems side by side. Let's look at a 48-zone municipal civic center project. The traditional system consists of two 24-zone controllers at $969 each and requires individual wires to run to each valve. 31,500 feet or 9,600 meters of wire is needed for an installed wire cost of $6,600, with a wire run installation time of 63 hours. This brings the traditional system installation to a total cost of $8,538. Now let's look at this project using dual two-wire technology, which sends the power and the control signal over just two wires. For this project, we can use a single iCore controller with dual 48M for $835. Decoders and grounding for the project comes to $4,400, but the total amount of wire used on this system is only 2,275 feet, or 693 meters, for an installed cost of $1,200. The wire run of this system would only take about 4.5 hours, to make the total cost of the dual two-wire installation $6,435. The total savings of using dual two-wire technology is $2,103 and 58 hours of labor. Having a dual system installed also allows for future installation flexibility. With dual, you can add up to 3 two-wire paths to the field. You can also T-splice each path to follow pipe trenches more economically. In the traditional system, to add a valve later would require running expensive spare wires or trenching new wire back to the controller. In the dual system, additional valves may be added at any time by merely connecting to the nearest point of the two-wire path. There are also fewer distance limits when it comes to designing a two-wire system. A traditional 14-gauge or 2mm wire can run 2,500 feet or 750 meters. Whereas dual can run up to 5,000 feet or 1.5 kilometers. The same principle applies to 12-gauge or 2.5mm wire with a traditional wiring distance of up to 4,500 feet or 1,300 meters and a dual wiring distance of up to 7,500 feet or 2.3 kilometers. Dual makes the process of troubleshooting much easier. There are only 2 field wires exposed to possible surge or other damage, and only 2 field wires per path to troubleshoot. The dual output module provides valuable feedback and diagnostic information from the controller itself about the conditions on the two-wire path. The dual system is comprised of several components, beginning with the iCore controller. Hunter's iCore is a commercial controller that offers 4 independent programs, real-time flow monitoring with an optional flow meter, and even smart solar sync weather adjustment capabilities. It is compatible with Hunter remote controls, including the ICR and Roam. The controller is available in metal, stainless steel, or plastic enclosures and includes multiple language selections. The iCore is transformed into a dual system by installing a dual 48M decoder output module. This enables iCore to run up to 48 stations on a two-wire path. The decoder module may also be combined with conventional 6-station output modules to expand an existing installation with dual technology. Two-wire paths use tough color-coded Hunter ID wire to the decoder locations. All field decoders are completely waterproof and have color-coded wiring for a simple installation. Dual 1 decoders are used to operate as a single station, while Dual 2 decoders are able to run 2 independent stations from the same decoder. The Dual S surge arrestor is added periodically for surge protection throughout the system, making it highly resistant to lightning damage. All dual field decoders include the required waterproof connectors in the box. Dual decoders are also compatible with Hunter's ICD HP wireless handheld programmer and diagnostic meter. Dual technology can dramatically increase profitability in medium-sized landscape projects. Dual is easy to install and expand, simple to program and troubleshoot, and less vulnerable to lightning damage. Dual gives you freedom to do more at a breakthrough price point. Learn more about Dual at hunterindustries.com.